Are you the type of person who avoids certain businesses because they require constant design work, such as creating book covers for Amazon KDP or engaging in activities like affiliate marketing? I once had a prospect interested in my Amazon KDP course, but she asked if designing was involved. When I replied yes, she said, "No, I can't do it because I don't know how to design." Today in this video, I will show you how to design a simple Amazon KDP book cover using Canva without the need for a graphic designer and at no cost. Before we continue, I'm Victoria Utin. On this channel, I share tips on Amazon KDP, affiliate marketing, real estate business, and how to effectively use your phone to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to receive updates whenever I post a new video. I appreciate your support. If you want to learn how to make money on Amazon by publishing simple books that require minimal time to write, or if you are an author looking to publish your books on Amazon, a global platform, reach out to me on WhatsApp using the number displayed on the screen. Of course, it's not free. When you message me, just kindly go straight to the point, okay? Thank you. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Open your web browser and go to Canva website, canva.com. The amazing thing is that Canva has both the app version and the web version, so you can decide to use any of them. Okay? When you get to this point, click on this plus sign, this purple plus sign. Click on it. Then go ahead to click on custom size. Click on custom size, and first of all, make sure you change this to inches. Let it be in inches, not in pixel. Change to inches and choose your width 6, and then height should be 9. Then create new design. Alright, when you get here, click on text and add a heading. Click on it, type in your book title. Once you are done typing your book title, go ahead to duplicate and type your subtitle, if any. Click here to duplicate. Click and duplicate. Then drag it down. Take it down. Take this up. Then highlight. Click on it to highlight and go ahead to type your subtitle, if any. I don't have subtitle for this book, so I will go ahead to type the author's name, which is my name. Alright, and then take this down and take this down a little as well. Okay, and it's time for us to do the editing. Highlight it and do the editing. First of all, click on this font. Click on font. Choose a better font for your book so as to make your book stand out. I will be using copper plates for my font. Alright, and you can choose textiles for your book. You can also resize your book font size. Alright, I will be using 29 is okay for the font size. You can use any color of your choice by clicking on color to choose any color for your book title, and you can decide to bold and unbold the text. You can italize it, you can underline it. Okay, alright. You can use line spacing, that is spacing. Click on spacing. You can space the letters. Okay, I believe you've seen what is happening there. You can apply line spacing to enhance your book visual appeal. You can apply line spacing for your book. Alright, that's all. Let's make everything simple. We are not going in depth, so let's make everything look simple. And then come over to the name, the author's name. Choose a better font for the name, the author's name. I will be choosing Times New Roman. I will resize it. Make sure your name is a little bit smaller than the normal title. Let it not be too big. 19 is okay. You can bold it, you can unbold it. Alright, let's add the background. Highlight it, just click on this background. Click on this purple plus icon. Click on it, then come over here. You can see what is happening at the background. Alright, okay. Click on background. Then choose any color of your choice that will make your book to stand out, to look catchy. Let me use the first one, this red color. I believe you can see how catchy the book title, simple and straightforward, without you paying any graphic designer to design for you, because as an Amazon direct publisher, you can publish up to 10 books in a week. Then if you can be able to design all these book covers by yourself, it will help than for you to pay graphic designers. So this is how you can design a simple book cover for your Amazon book publishing. Alright, I believe you found this helpful. And another thing I would like to show you is that you can as well undo and redo any mistake. Just come over here, click here to undo. I believe you've seen what is happening there. And the same thing with redo. You can click the one at the right to redo any mistake. Alright, that is it. And then when you want to download, come down here to download. The arrow that is facing upward, that little arrow that is facing upward, click on it to download your book as JPEG. Click on download and then change this drop down arrow to JPEG, then click on download. It's as simple as that. You can design your Amazon books cover by yourself. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment down below.